Think about the parts of your opinion response that you have planned on your graphic organizer. Have you finished all the parts? That's right, we still need to plan the conclusion. Let's look back at the opinion checklist. Okay, I need to restate my opinion. That's the easy part. So on my graphic organizer, I wrote, "Come to the new world." The checklist said I also need to leave my reader with a concluding thought. I could just list all the reasons again, but maybe I can think of a different way. One way to conclude an opinion piece is to include a very short personal story that relates to the opinion. Remember, we are pretending to be a settler in the new world, so we need to think of a personal story to support our opinion. I could write, "Brother, I don't want you to think that everything is easy here because it certainly is not. However, we have so much authority here that we can do anything we want. Just the other day, we decided to hold John Smith responsible for the death of 2 men, even though he did not commit the crime. We ordered him to the gallows." Another way to end an opinion piece is with an illustration and caption which support your opinion. Perhaps your character may make a quick sketch to show his family member something that may explain the situation more clearly. A third way to end an opinion piece is with a question. In this case, I might ask my brother, "I wonder what you are thinking now that you've heard about the authority that you could have in the new world. Have I convinced you to set sail?" I chose to end ours with a question. No matter which technique you choose, remember this is a letter, so you need to end it with a salutation. I will sign my letter, "Your loving brother, Walter." Today, you will finish your draft, plan your conclusion, and then write your conclusion. Try all 3 ways and then choose the one that sounds the most interesting. Do not just list your 3 reasons again. Gather your graphic organizer, your opinion checklist, and go back and read parts of Blood on the River.